O God, bless us and all in the world with peace, happiness, purity in mind, health and wealth. Welcome to Patanjali TV. Today we are going to see very wonderful and useful session for our entire life. Generally, we can live without food for 1 week. We can also live without water for 2 to 3 days. We can live without wearing any dress. But if I close your nose and mouth, we can't live even 5 minutes. Why? Because the air not incoming and you are not able to receive the breathing. So, which is most essential for each and every life, human being life, is breathing. Our life is calculated some crores and some lakhs, some thousands, some hundred. 5 crores, 58 lakhs, 600 something. So our life is calculated only breathing only. How can we utilize that kinds of breathing? If you want to live more 120 years, one should understand how to inhale and how to exhale, how to inhale long breathing, long prana, and how to exhale very small quantity of prana, and how to save prana in our entire body for each and every breathing. In our Maharishi Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga, per day, 24 hours, one person inhale and exhale 21,600. Per day we are inhaling and exhaling. While inhaling, 8 inches of prana we are intake, while exhaling, 12 inches of prana exhaling. So each breathing we are losing 4 inches of prana, so that our body, our mind get tired. I am so tired, I am not able to do any work. This is general habit. Suppose if you are having stress, tension, anger, mental worries, we are losing number of prana in our body. In modern world, it is not possible to lead our life without stress, without tension. One can lead your life without stress and tension every day. If I say, definitely you will get tension. How can you say like this? Is it possible to lead our life without tension? This is a question mark. But definitely we can lead our life without stress, without tension, and we can intake more kinds of prana, and we can save number of energetic prana in our entire body through simple breathing exercise. That is called in Tamil Nadi Suddhi. This is the basic simple exercise, but wonderful results are there. If you practice this kind of simple basic Nadi Suddhi daily, morning and evening, before food, empty stomach, definitely you can lead your life healthy manner, happy manner, peaceful manner, and enjoy your life. Present living is a pleasant living. Each and every breathing you inhale very interestingly, lovingly, and you exhale very interestingly and lovingly. So, how to practice Nadi Suddhi? Simple breathing exercises today we have to see. It should be done in the morning, in the evening. Morning is best time for practicing breathing exercise. Basic, simple Nadi Suddhi. It should be done in Padmasana, Vajrasana, Artha Padmasana, Sukhasana. Those who are not able to sit on the floor, you can practice like sitting on chair only. Your backbone should straight. Close your eyes. Watch your breathing gently. Left hand should be like this, Chin Mudra. tip of the index and thumb finger. Use right hand. Close your right nostril with the help of your thumb finger. Very slow and deep inhale, left nostril. Very slow and deep exhale through left nostril. While inhaling, your abdomen should come forward lightly. While exhaling, your abdomen should come backward lightly. Very slow and deep inhale, very slow and deep exhale for 10 times. Then close your left nostril with the help of your ring finger, right hand ring finger. Inhale right nostril very slowly. Exhale right nostril very slowly. Like this 10 times. Then inhale left, exhale right. Close your right nostril. Inhale very slowly through left nostril. Close your left nostril. Exhale very slowly through right nostril. Again inhale left. Exhale right very slowly. Like this 10 times. Then you have to change. Inhale right, exhale left. Close your left nostril. Inhale right nostril very slowly. Close your right nostril. Exhale left very slowly. Then inhale right. Exhale left very slowly. Left inhale, right exhale. Right inhale, left exhale. Then last, you have to practice continuously round the clock. Start with the left. Close your right nostril. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. This is one circle. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Second round. Third round. Fourth round. Fifth round. You have to practice like this daily in the morning 4 to 7, especially 4 to 5:30 is very good time. In the evening 5 to 7, you have to practice very slowly and very deeply, very peaceful manner. Each nostril you have to inhale and exhale 10 times. First step, left la inhale pandrom, deep inhale, deep exhale 10 times. Then right inhale, right exhale 10 times. Then left inhale, right exhale 10 times. Then right inhale, left exhale 10 times. Then round the circle. Start with the left. This is one circle. You have to practice 10 circles. Daily practice very slowly and deeply. Definitely you can lead your life in a healthy and happy manner. Headache, tension, stress, everything is released. Your heart functioning is very well manner. Lungs will receive number of oxygen and it will release carbon dioxide without affecting, and all inner parts of the organs will get wonderful prana energy. So you have to lead your life peaceful and happy manner. My request is daily you can practice this kind of simple basic breathing exercise in your life daily, morning and evening. Definitely we can lead our life without affecting any virus also, because our lungs will function very well manner. So your lungs capacity will increase day by day. So you are receiving pranic energy in your entire body and entire inner parts of the organs. Practice this kind of breathing exercise and be hale and healthy. Thank you very much.
பதஞ்சலி டிவியை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.